This jet has actually been out for a little while now, but I finally got my hands on it. We're looking at the 70mm FMS F-18, or FA-18, if I want to say it actually correctly, and the internet won't absolutely drag me for saying just F-18. So this is the FA-18 70mm 6S power. Now this plane comes as a completely empty, bare gray color scheme, which may sound like not great. Like, why would you want just a completely bare color scheme? It's because they give you a lot of options for decal sets when you do get this plane. However, I thought that it's a great opportunity to take inspiration from one of my favorite video game series of all time, Ace Combat, and do an Ace Combat 7 livery. So on this plane, we have Trigger's 3-strike sin line color scheme on here. We got his emblem, we got the 3 strikes, we got some Ocean flags and emblems all over this thing, thanks to Cali Graphics for creating some custom decals for this plane. And I think it turned out absolutely killer, but we haven't flown it yet, so that's what we're gonna do out here today. I've heard really good things about this plane, so we're gonna see if it actually lives up to the hype. I'm Alex from Hangar 14 RC, let's go flying. So in here today, we have a 4,000 milliamp 6S battery, which just fits in here. We have a Spectrum AR631 Plus receiver, so we do have AS3X on here as well, which should be beautiful. Now, we do have flaps on here, so we got a couple sets, or a couple steps of flaps on there. We got the full ordnance loaded on here as well. And then of course we do have some retractable landing gear. Now, these landing gear look absolutely awesome. We do have some working suspension on here, so it should handle our grass runway with ease. But here we go, get a quick cycle of those. No gear doors, but that's all right. Put them down nice and quick, should be perfect. So with all this, just do a final check of our controls. Looking good. Take her up to the field. Grass is a little long out there, but it seems to be taxiing okay. Hopefully we can get enough speed, maybe catch a good bump, get this thing up in the air. So we're gonna taxi out a little ways, probably more than normal. But we've been lucking out with some absolutely beautiful days out at the flying field here. We're gonna take full advantage of that. All right, here we go. We're gonna drop 1-notch flaps, full throttle. Seems to be moving okay. See if we can catch a bounce in the middle here. Oh no, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. We got no headwind either. All right, let's try it the other way. The bad part is that burned out probably a lot of juice out of our battery, which we don't get a lot of life with anyway, with EDF jets. Oh my gosh, you like hit the brakes there. Did you see that? Come on, come on. Oh no. We probably got maybe one more run in here before we might have to think about hand launch it or something. We'll try pick up speed with no flaps here. Come on. Come on. No joy. I think we might have to hand launch this thing, which could go really good or really bad. We're about to find out. I'm really nervous about this. We'll see how this goes here. Also, I just realized that my AS3X is not actually on. I might have actually forgot to set it up on this plane, but we got no wind out here today. It should be okay. All right, we're gonna give this our best shot here. Oh. We got her! We got her! Holy crap, we just made her. All right. I will say, she is plenty nose heavy. We do have a bigger than recommended battery in here, so it's not gonna fly like a true fighter jet. Might have to shift her back on the next flights here, but she is in the air. We probably got just a couple minutes of flight. Oh, but she looks good. Just getting some trim in here. A little bit of aileron. Still dipping on the nose a little bit. I think it's like a 3300 6S that they recommend, or a little bit smaller than 4000. So there we go. That's nice and level. Again, we got no gyro on here. Forgot to set it up. Thought I did. Guess I didn't. Bring it in for another pass here. Ooh, that looks so cool. All right, I'm gonna bring it up, see what the vertical's like. Full throttle. Roll it over. Run out of juice there. Definitely moves quick, but we do have the full ordnance on there, so maybe weighing it down a little bit, add a bit of drag. But this thing flies like it's on freaking rails. Let's do a roll. Roll right. Pull it up. Kind of do a half Cuban 8 here. Full speed pass. Yeah, this thing slaps. Woo. Honestly, if our runway was maybe like freshly mowed, I think we would have had no problem. I think this is the first one in a while that we've actually haven't been able to get off the grass runway, if not ever, actually. So we might have just hit it on a bad day, but we got it in the air. Looks awesome, sounds awesome. Now we do have the CG, I think, pretty far forward, but let's see if we can kind of slow it down into some high alpha. Yeah, we need to move the CG back, but it kind of does it. I know it can do it better. Maybe got time for one more pass or so here, then we'll think about bringing it in. Yeah, we can get her a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and drop the landing gear. They are down. Do one notch of flaps. We bring it around, we'll put the full landing flaps in. There's a timer going down. All right, full flaps. Bringing it in true Navy style, but there we freaking go. Alrighty, so there it is, the 70mm FMS F A-18 Super Hornet. Flew absolutely amazing. Again, that was with probably a little bit more forward of a CG than it should have had, but using a pretty big battery in there, so we didn't have a lot of room to wiggle with. I think with a little bit more aft CG, this thing would have been beautiful, mixed with some AS3X just to kind of help with the wing rocking on some lower speeds. But honestly, high speeds flew exactly like you would want a jet to fly. I absolutely love how the livery turned out for the Ace Combat fan in me and for you out there. So if you're interested in checking out the FA-18 70mm from FMS, I'll put a link to it down in the description. And if maybe you want to check out the graphics set for this, I can maybe figure out how to get those available for anyone interested. So check all that out down in the description of the video. Thank you again so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I'm Alex from Hangar 14 RC. We'll see you later.